Hi girls, I'm sorry that we didn't get to exercise 5, but hopefully you are able to watch this video. For the distributive property, you are going to take the number in front. So for A, I'm going to circle the 8, and I'm going to multiply it by each of the terms inside parentheses. So I do 8 times x plus 8 times 4. And 8 times x is 8x. 8 times 4 is 32. So 8x plus 32, and you're done at that point. You can't combine these two because they are apples and oranges. If you remember from last year, fruit salad, you can't combine them if you're adding. Okay, so for B, I'm going to distribute -5. So I'm going to circle -5 and multiply -5 by each of those terms. I'm going to do -5 times 4y. This is minus up here, so I'm going to bring down the minus sign. -5 times 3. -5 times 4 is -20y. Minus -5 times 3 is -15. And then I can use keep change switch since I have minus and negative. So -20y, keep, change minus to plus, and -15 becomes +15. So I get -20y plus 15. Letter C is the distributive property with division. So I'm going to divide each term by the 3. So 9x divided by 3 plus 21 divided by 3. And 9x divided by 3 is 3x. 21 divided by 3 is 7. So 3x plus 7 is my final answer. There's a couple of different ones that we were going to do if we had time for review. So I'm going to just write a couple at the top. So if I have something, if you look above here, like 3 times 2x minus 2. Okay. So I'm going to distribute the 3 to both of them. So then I do 3 times 2, which is 6x. Bring down the minus. Then 3 times 2 is 6. So I'm left with 6x minus 6. And one other one. If I have negative, parenthesis 9x plus 5. Now this is still a distributive property problem, but since you just see negative in front, it's actually -1. We just don't write the 1 in front of the parentheses. So now I have to distribute -1 to both terms. So I'm going to do -1 times 9x, -9x, plus -1 times 5 is -5. I can keep that like that, but I can also do the fact that plus a negative is the same as subtraction. So I can also write 9x minus 5. And both of those are correct. -9x plus -5 or -9x minus 5 are both correct, but usually you'll see it written as subtraction. So let me know if you have any questions when you start doing your distributive property problems. Tomorrow there will be a 4-question quiz on the Google Meet. 2 are substituting in the terms, and 2 are distributive property. So try your homework tonight before tomorrow's meet and let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you tomorrow.